This 36-year-old Ohio woman is facing a felony charge after calling 911 because her parents disconnected her cell phone service. Here's a listen to the 911 call from CBS affiliate WOIO.
Jackson, please.
Hi, my name is Silva. I called you guys earlier. I'm a realtor and I live with my parents, and I'm also a 4.0 PhD psychology student. And my parents just disconnected my phone, and I'm unable to call any of my clients or my boss back, and I'm about to lose my job.
Your parents took your phone now?
They canceled my cell phone service, which they legally, I own my phone, so I paid for myself.
What was your first
They
name?
just cut off my cell phone, and I'm about to lose my job. I need to call my clients.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
This type of circumstance, you cannot call 911 over this, okay? This 911 is a line for life and death
I don't know what to
emergencies.
do. Can I contact a social worker? Can you tell me how to get in touch with a social worker?
I believe you
If I don't have a cell phone, I don't know who to call.
Ma'am, take a deep breath for me. I'm just telling you that this could be considered abuse of 911. Okay, you can't call 911 for non-emergency services.
Well, I mean, I feel unsafe. I've been unable to call for help or call any of my friends to get out of the house.
Okay, well, we'll get an officer out to speak with you again, okay?
Can I just come into the police department tomorrow, to be honest?
No, ma'am, they have to come out to you because you called 911 again.
Okay.
So the
Saloni Katarpal of Jackson Township was arrested and booked into the Stark County Jail. She's charged with disrupting public services, which is a 4th-degree felony. Curtis Silva for CBS Local News.